Alrighty, here we are at the cottage. We got a nice little like 2-foot high snowplow windrow here to get in. You can see I'm not even all the way in and it's almost up to my knee. We got ourselves a good foot of snow to clean here now, just so I can get the truck in here. Good thing is we got our backhoe on site, so let's go fire that up. Check out this big icicle here, holy. And this van basically looks like it has like a mohawk. So we got it plugged in, the block heater. Okay, hopefully it starts. Should start. Okay, beauty. It's the old 89. That's not too bad. Okay, I think that's good enough for what we need. We'll let her warm up for a minute and then we'll get going. I'm not going to be pushing down too hard. I just want to make it so it's easy to walk around. Set up my other camera. think that's good enough to get my truck in. Here so the dogs can come in and out. Well, dogs and us. Okay. It's not great, but it's good enough. Yeah, running around, moving all the cameras. All right, don't lie. Who wants to see it? Should I do it? Let's go for it. Oh. Oh, shit. Somewhat satisfying. That's a big one on the other side. Okay, back to it. Let's finish this off so we can get a fire going and get nice and cozy. I'm actually gonna do one more pass. I mean, I know this is like a rough snow plow. Just with the bucket on and just trying to get some access, but I am so OCD. It's one of my drawbacks when I was plowing snow. At least when we used to do it commercially. I hate leaving lines behind. Even though this doesn't even matter for what it is. One last pass, and it is what it is. I'm not using those brakes to help steer. By the way, is all grass, so I'm trying not to go crazy there. That's why I'm backblading it. Just try and take the bulk of it. Just gonna smooth it out, and then that's good enough. Not the prettiest snowplow job, but it's all good. It's getting the job done. I'm gonna try and get closer here. I am gonna be using that barbecue. Look at that thing. It's got like 2 feet of snow on it. Should I go all the way down to the lake? minimize that. Maybe I'll just go down a little further here. I was notching some branches. At the very end here. We're almost there. Let's just give it a little nudge. The old bucket. Get her going. Oh boy. Very slippery. And we're free. That's also all grass there. So not going to be going too crazy. Just enough. These are just walking paths, so one more pass on the way down, I think we're good. Beautiful. I'm gonna go get my truck now. All right. Good time with the backhoe. It's been a while since I've been in this girl. That was fun. I got a walking trail, almost 3/4 of the way down to the lake. Let's plug her back in case we need it again. Still a couple months of winter if we do come up here again. Put her over the bucket so we don't forget. Okay. Here we go. Here's my finished product. That's what I call a pretty rough snowplow, but hey, all I needed to do is get my truck in here and some paths for us to bring some supplies in, and the dogs come out, and a little trail down to the lake. And yeah, now I can go get my truck. Let's bring that in. Alrighty, crazy arrow from my GoPro. Fits the truck. I can get in and out. That's all we needed. Awesome. Well guys, if you enjoyed watching that, remember to subscribe if you're new, give us a like, and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care everybody.